Gutom eh. Gutom sa seatbelt. Gutom sa seatbelt. Tapos ang ending, saan daw pagtangkang? Di ka malain. Huwag ka ulit.
Sorry. I'll just do a quick brief.
Having caramel, there's a cross check.
Kamalain.
Mukha ko yan. This flight will take 1 hour and 5 minutes. For your safety, your hand luggage must be placed in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. Put your seat upright, fasten your seatbelt, secure your tray tables, and keep your window shades open. All portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, are to be switched to flight mode, as this will interfere with the aircraft navigational equipment. Smoking is not permitted on all AirAsia flights. Thank you for your continued support and for voting us the world's champion. Magandang tanghali mga Pilipiniki ng atin. Maligayang pagdating sa likod ng